Hey everybody, Matt here from Evil Egg Software, and I'm here today to talk about how you can make the most out of any incoming traffic to your old, discontinued or archived products. What do you currently do with the products that you no longer sell? Do you delete them? Simply mark them out of stock? Perhaps you remove them from the online store channel. If you're doing any of these things, you're doing the wrong thing. See, you may have products that were once very popular, which ranked highly on Google, but later became too difficult to restock, or maybe they're discontinued, or perhaps a newer model came out. I can guarantee you now that people are still searching Google for these old products, and if you've retained your product pages, Google will continue to list these pages and customers will find your store as a result. What are you doing to keep the customers on your store and convert them over to an alternative product that you still sell, or alert them to the newest model? Ordinarily, stores simply show the item as out of stock, and maybe update the product description to say the item is discontinued. This leaves the customer on a dead-end page and with a poor user experience, which will have them reaching for their browser's back button. So the question is, what can I do to improve the experience of these customers who arrive on my old pages? The answer is quite simply to clearly tell them that the item is no longer available and that there's an alternative product for them. Think about it. A customer arrives on your store having searched Google for a product they need. They click your listing and arrive on a page which simply says that the item is out of stock. What do you think that customer is going to do next? That's right, they're clicking that back button to find another store who has it in stock. Little do they know that the item has been discontinued or that a new model exists. There just so happens to be a new app on Shopify, developed by yours truly, which makes it easy to offer an alternative product to customers arriving on your old, discontinued or archived products, and it's called Alternative Related Products. This app was only recently launched but is already being adopted by stores who recognise the untapped potential of this source of traffic. Here's a real example. This is the product page of an unavailable item from before the app was installed, and here's how it looks afterwards. The difference in experience for the customer is night and day. Alternative Products app lets you configure custom reasons why a product is unavailable, which allows you to set custom messaging, placement on the page, and optionally redirect the customer after a specified time, depending on the reason the item is unavailable. A long-term out-of-stock product might benefit from different messaging to a product which has been superseded by a new model, for example. The app comes with a limited number of free alternative product configurations, so give it a try today completely risk-free. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you guys soon.